Hello everyone, this is attorney Ayhan Ogmen, and today I'm in front of you to discuss one of the latest news we have. As of this week, President Biden had signed 3 executive orders about immigration, and I would like to discuss what those executive orders are about and what those orders mean for immigration going forward. I will start with the first executive order President Biden signed. The first one was about establishing the task force for family reunification. As you know, Trump's administration's zero tolerance policy had created so many issues actually at the border, and so many kids were being actually separated from their families. Even as of now, there are kids that they cannot locate their families. So President Biden, with this executive order, they want to make sure that this task force can focus on making sure those kids can be reunified with their families, and making sure actually going forward none of those things will happen again. As you know, those policies actually created for families for unjust and cruel separation, which is not actually what America is about. This is why this executive orders will be about this, and trying to focus and try to make sure those kids get back to their family. And President Biden had signed second executive order, and with that order, President Biden was addressing the root causes of migration and restoring the asylum system. With this executive order, the administration will actually make sure and examine the root causes actually for people to migrate to the United States, and what are the reasons that they have to flee from their home countries. And while they're doing that work, they want to make sure that they will actually cooperate and work with actually foreign governments and international organizations, and try to understand and try to actually provide more asylum protections or secure protections that way. And with this executive order, President Biden is also trying to make sure that the Department of Homeland Security actually can make sure that Trump administration policies can be changed, and make sure that the asylum system can reprocess again, basically start working again for people, and also make sure that they go over the so-called migrant protection protocols. Yes, with this executive order, President Biden wants to make sure the refugee program and asylum programs works actually efficiently. With the last executive order that President Biden had signed, it was about actually trying to repair the legal immigration system. As you know, as you're aware, that previous administration actually made it very difficult and hard, even legal immigration, to process, and by basically making sure that USCIS filing fees are higher and goes up, and making sure that there's a public charge rule affecting people to get a green card, and making sure that they actually, if they use any health insurance, that they cannot get the green card. So because of all those previous administration policies, President Biden wants to make sure that basically previous administrations, all regulations, policies can be revisited and checked to make sure that if there are any rules or any regulations that are actually making it difficult for legal immigration to process, that they will be cancelled or changed. And of course, if there are any regulations or any guidance that was established by the previous administration actually helps the immigration, then they will keep those actually rules or policies. And with this executive orders, actually they want to make sure that the task force that will be created will make sure that they can focus on promoting immigrant integration and inclusion. Actually, America can get better with their immigrant communities. And if there are any changes, we'll make sure that we'll share with you. And have a great day, and talk to you soon.